Hey there, plant lovers! In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 incredible houseplants that will not only beautify your home but also make it smell amazing. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about 5 houseplants that'll make your home smell amazing. Join me as we explore these fantastic fragrant houseplants. 1. Geranium. Scented geraniums come in a variety of scents, like rose, lemon, and are known for their fragrant leaves. 2. Lavender. Lavender has a calming, floral aroma and thrives in bright, sunny locations. 3. Gardenia. Gardenias have highly fragrant flowers that can perfume an entire room. 4. Jasmine. Jasmine plants produce sweet, fragrant flowers that fill your home with a delightful aroma. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary emits a pine-like scent that can be invigorating. I hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more plant-related content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.